we can just fuck them. Okay guys, who's gonna have the most prescriptions filled? Who has my drugs when I come to the counter for the retail?
Today we learned about what it takes to be a pharmacy technician. We learned like what steps it takes, or if you want to go beyond that, like be a pharmacy technician level 2 or level 3 or level 4 or a supervisor, and how to get there.
At the end, not now. Don't touch them, just like real pharmacists. You cannot touch the medicine. Okay?
You can't touch it with your hands.
You can't touch it with your hands. You're going to pour it onto the counter and then you're going to count. Now, there's a
I guess like just a new like career field option. Like first I was thinking about physical therapy, and now